Hey everyone, welcome to Language Fusion Online. Today we want to learn about animals and their young ones. Mhuka, Nevana, Vadzo. First up we have elephant, calf, nzou, muru. Lion, the young one is a cub. In Shona, shumba, handa. Monkey, the young one is an infant. In Shona, we say tsoko, mwana wacho my day. Rabbit, the kid is called a kit, tsuro noa. Then we have crocodile, hatchling, garwe ganya matope. Pig, the young one is called a piglet. Nguruve, chigwi ohumbana. Snake, the young one is a hatchling. In Shona, nyoka, mwana wacho njenjana. Then we have a hippo, calf, mvuu, handa chibvuwa. Then we have a zebra, the young one is called a calf. In Shona, mbizi, njenjeta. Then we have a dog, the young one of a dog is called a puppy. In Shona, imbwa, mbwanana. Then we have fish, the young one of a fish is a fry. In Shona, hove, mwana wacho rereza. Then we have a chameleon, the young one is a hatchling. In Shona, ruaivi, mandishaya. We have a cow, calf. Then mombe, moru. Cat, kitten. In Shona, katsi or kitty, mwana wacho chidarimbo. Chicken, the young one is a chick. In Shona, huku, niyo. Then we have a donkey. The young one of a donkey is called a foal. Donkey, dongwana. Goat, kid. In Shona, mbudzi, mbudzana. Sheep, the young one of a sheep is a lamb. In Shona, wai, mwana wacho shere. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and to press the like button. Thank you.